Financial management. What is the financial management all about? Financial management deals with the efficient and effective management of money, funds, to accomplish the objectives of an organization. Through case studies, lectures, videos, readings and exams, students learn the basic concepts and how to apply them in financial decision-making. What are the duties and tasks performed in the financial management industry? Prepare, examine, and analyze accounting records, financial statements, and other financial reports. Compute taxes owed and prepare tax returns, ensuring compliance with payment, reporting and other tax requirements including VAT returns and PAYE submissions. Analyze business operations, trends, costs, revenues, financial commitments, and obligations, to project future revenues and expenses or to provide advice. Processing of transactions using a computerized accounting package. What skills and abilities are required for a career in financial management? Need to be detail-oriented, allows you to find errors and detect fraud. Excellent analytical skills, ability to visualize and solve complicated problems and make an accurate and informed decision. Good communication skills, the ability to communicate findings about financial statements with subordinates and superiors through the use of business writing formats such as letters, memos and reports. Time management and good teamwork, must be able to manage their own time and the time of others effectively. Basic computer skills such as word processing, spreadsheet and database software to produce and record information. What are the working conditions in the financial management industry? Most accountants and auditors work in offices, although some work from home. Auditors may travel to their clients' places of business. Accountants generally work 40 hours per week. Longer hours are typical at certain times of the year, such as at the end of the budget year or during tax season. What are the minimum entry requirements to study financial management at a TVET college? At a TVET college, the normal entrance requirements for the financial management course are NC.V. program, a grade 9 certificate plus college requirements set per program. NATED program, N4 admission grade 12 with a pass in accounting plus college requirements set per program, or an NC.V. level 4 certificate in finance, economics and accounting. Watch more career guidance videos with Skills Passport.